Next task will be to get these little sprites here to appear in the right location when the game starts. Okay. And so when we start out, I'll get rid of this player one move. We want the bottom sprite to appear right here below his feet, in between his feet. We want the bottom right to appear here in the bottom right corner, the bottom left to appear here in the bottom left, the left to appear here on his cape, the right to appear at his hands, and so on. Right? And so how we're going to set that up is we'll click here. When the green flag is clicked, we can double check which one this is. It's bottom right. When the green flag is clicked, we can say motion, go to XY. Where's the go to? Okay. Go to XY. Oh, no, we don't want to do that. We want to do go to the player. Player one. Okay. And once we get to player one, then we want to move downward. So we're going to say change Y by -10. And then we're going to change X as well, because we want the sprite to appear at the bottom right. That's to the right. So we're going to change by 10. And so let's go ahead and double click this and see. So you see this little blue outline here, right? I'm going to double click on the sprite. You see a little blue flashing light? That's where our sprite is. And so our sprite needs to be lower and more to the right. Okay, so I'm going to change this to -15 and this to 15. Double click it, and now click on the sprite. That looks just about right. Okay, so let's leave that there, right below his right foot. Okay, and so we can click this on and we're good to go. Now we're going to do our bottom left sprite. And so we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say go to player one. And this one is bottom left. Okay, so we're going to say change Y by a negative number. And then change X by a negative number as well. So let's do -10 here. And here we'll do -15. We'll double click it. And we'll see where it is. That looks perfect. It's right there below his left toe. Okay, and so this is the tactic or the strategy that I want you to use, the algorithm that I want you to use to make sure that each of these sprites are located in the correct location when the green flag is clicked. Okay.